Artificial intelligence, or called AI, is the technology that enables computer to act like a human, to be able to see, to hear, and to understand, to communicate. It allows computers to learn from mistakes and learn from experience to improve itself over and over again. When we use digital equipment, so for example, when we go online, across the world, we leave lots and lots of data. And when we put this data together, they suddenly turn into something that's quite powerful. The characters are the data have very huge volume. They arrive at very fast speed, and they are of a big variety. Data mining is also called data analytics. The purpose of working on the data is to find knowledge from the data. Usually there is a purpose, an objective. AI is like the car, which can run very fast. So data is like the gas, like the oil. Of course, we have to refine it to turn from oil to gas. But once we have the gas and we have the car, we can drive very fast and do useful things. Many big companies invest a huge amount in AI technology today. They have research labs, they have many different parts of the business that are trying to integrate with AI. So for example, in the logistics industry, people are trying to use robots with AI to automate the transportation of goods within the warehouse in Amazon, in China, in Jingdong, and Alibaba. The importance of AI is to enable an organization or enable institutions like the banks and the financial institutions to be more efficient and to act more quickly and to respond to changes more dynamically. HKUST has a long history of doing research in AI. Over here we have about 10 professors and scores of students working on AI for many years, from natural language understanding to decision making to machine learning and to computer vision. So many of our students are leaders in the industry in China and in the US. We have built close collaboration with some big companies. With WeChat, our students can have access to big data and experiment with many scenarios of artificial intelligence. And working with companies like Thales, with Hong Kong government ITF, we are trying to use all the data available to monitor a public area in order to predict some potential disasters. And we can tell from the telecommunications, cameras, computer vision, the public monitoring system. We can tell from social media. So when we put all this data together and we use a computer system to learn these signs and patterns, then we can use these patterns to make prediction in real time. We see many professors leaving universities from even famous universities like Stanford and CMU and so on. But so why am I staying at UST? I think the first attraction is the students. The students here are very motivated and they want to learn. The second is that this university has a very good environment, many good colleagues. The atmosphere for research is very liberal, so we can explore many things like working with companies, working with governments, and working with institutions with big data. It's very rewarding to see students when they graduate, they take up important posts and they make a difference in the society and make an impact.
The biggest thing I learned from Professor Qiang in her research is telling me that how to find new problems around the work and also how to find a way to solve this problem.
he establishes the Big Data Institute, which connects the academia and real-world data and problems. Usually real-world problems can be very difficult. He always encourages us to stand up to the challenges and making efforts to circumvent them.
To continue my research interest in Professor Yang's lab, I would like to apply the AI technology into the urban and the city science. We want to help the city organizers to make smart area planning and the event organizations.
I'm now working on a machine reading helper that could generate gist for news articles using deep learning models. I hope this technology could help alleviate users' reading burden in both social network and traditional media.
AI is advancing even faster than its past. One thing we see in AI is many different branches of AI are going to be more and more integrated. So we can see machine learning being used in languages, in images, in videos, and there's the difference between these different branches of AI is getting smaller and smaller.